What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're heading down Donnelly River for 3 days for the Tinny mission, and you're going to want to stick around for this one. Jason in the Y62, he's just in front in his Tinny, exactly same as ours, got a 30 on the back, and we got nods in our boat for today and the rest of the trip, so whew. How's this for a camping spot? This is bloody unreal. Wow. Awesome. Look at the views too. It's nuts. You got the beach just down that way. Phew. So we found an awesome spot to camp. We pretty much dropped all the stuff off. Lost about 20 kilos worth of bedding and food and all that, and chairs. But how's this? Look at the natural structure in that wall. Just incredible, guys. Wow. Just pulled up, having a bit of lunch. Got some sausages, and yeah, we'll get out back to fishing.
Back out.
Let's get the doggies. In we get, and off we go. Yoo. Yeah, see you later, mate. Race is on, boys! Yeah! So over the next couple of days we're doing a bit of fishing. Just got some light gear. It's a Shimano 2 to 4 kilo rod, just with a light reel. These are the different soft plastics we're using. So we got a bunch really to experiment and see what does well. Some sort of marron looking one, worms, and a few minnows, different colors and that. And there's also that beach just across, so in the morning we might try flick for some herring, whiting, who knows. But yeah, we're going to start flicking now and hopefully land a few bream.
Soon you're going to get roasted.
So we just got back from the fishing trip. Unfortunately we didn't catch any fish, but not to stop us from going out tomorrow and the next day. So we're just enjoying some dinner now over there, and we're going to send it out later just as that sun's setting, so it'll be awesome to watch just on those dunes over there. Yo! Good morning guys, what a night's sleep. Tried out these brand new inflatable pillows. I can tell you what, pretty incredible for $3 from Kmart, I say that. But what a view to wake up to. Honestly, just amazing. We'll get into action now. Just went for a little morning fish and Nudge is hooked up. You! Oh, it's a bream.
Oh, a little bream.
A little
There you go, boys.
bream. They are out there. Perfect.
Oh, beautiful. Hey, there you go, mate. You get to see another.
Nudge is on fire. Just hooked up again.
Oh, that one almost got a nice tug on him.
On the sausage.
It's the same one.
Silly question.
Yep.
3 times in a row, back-to-back casts. Wow. Oh no, a different one. Here's a bit smaller. Get this guy back in the drink.
I've tried to use
On again. 4th
The problem
time.
is you can't stand stubbies up in the bottom.
Seems like a good
Right.
fish.
Oh, he's got rings.
That's a decent fish.
They go on the reeds.
Oi. Damn, you're cleaning up.
Tell you what, it'll be a good fun on this little rod if I was bloody get one over 30 centimetres. On again.
On again.
Oh,
I just don't want to get snagged on that.
Yeah, walk out.
nice.
Little bream, we'll get him back in the drink.
But when we go upstream, I'll be using the bigger shank. The bigger,
Like a red one?
yeah.
Yo. Dad's just hooked up. Little bream, mate.
Yeah, I reckon so.
Same one.
Same one. Going into the reeds.
Oh, nice. Beautiful.
Jay's on again. Oi, bit of fight. Another little fella.
All the ones that
Just
you
hooked up
don't
again.
usually don't like
Probably
it.
another little bream. Ooh, bit of fight. Hey mate. Back. Nudge is on again. Another little bream. Phew. So we're just doing a bit of fishing here. We're catching a few bream, all a bit too small. So later we're gonna head down the river, and we had a few spots we were trying out last night. I feel like with bait we can catch a few, so hopefully land some. Can do a nice cook up with some spices and that sort of stuff tonight. And yeah, we'll get into it. Phew. Nud's just doing a bit of fishing, landed a what looks like a size bream. Damn.
Oh. 25. Oh, it's a keeper nudge.
Keeper!
28.
Here, buddy. Use that.
Beautiful, thanks, man.
Yep. 28, nearly. Oh, 29.
29!
Yeah, that was a keeper right off the bat. Well done, mate.
Damn. One on the board.
Oh no! Oh fuck!
Did it swim off?
I was just about to say we need to kill it. Like, as I was putting in the bucket.
No.
What happened? Oh, I felt putting it back. It jumped out of the water because it was in there and it's gone and then just jumped straight over the fucking edge.
Nice little hook up. Get him in the drink. See you, mate.
That's a monster. That's a monster. That's a monster. Oh, it's got 4 legs.
Look at that, eh?
Look at that dog. Yeah, that's lovely. That's a beautiful fish.
That's maybe the 29er.
Wow.
Okay, this is the killer.
Yeah, we'll do it over land.
32.
Oh, it's a monster.
32.
32
It's an
centimetre.
old dog.
Damn.
Were you very far out, Nudge?
No, no, just where I've been casting.
Just hooked up. With potential size. Another beautiful bream. Just short of 26 centimeters. And Nudge hits the board again. Another go fish. Just finishing up with the fishing session. Caught 5 so far. This one was an absolute monster. And Dad's on again. Oh wow, that's definitely size.
That's a fat fish.
Awesome fish, Dad. Another awesome fish from Dad. He's on the board too. Just hooked up again. We got last of the bait and this guy's keeper. 26 and a half. On the sausage bait again. How good. So that's a wrap on the fishing, quite successful. 7 bream, so awesome, and 2 big dogs as well. But we're going to fillet these bad boys and then cook them up with some spices later. How's that for a ride? Dad, you up? So we're just prepping the fish now. We're gonna get it cooking in the pan. A bit of butter, and we've got this lemon herb and garlic spice. And we're just gonna sit and enjoy with this awesome view as the sun goes down. Bit of butter. We got fillet there, and the rest we've just head gutted. Just a lot easier with all their bones and that sort of stuff. Let this one cook for a bit. Lemon garlic herbs. Just a little sprinkle of that on the fish. Just cooking up the last of the fish, enjoying the last of the sunset. How good. Just like that, back at the boat ramp. What a trip.
Well, you can wake me up. Sorry, mate. Legend. What up, boys? How about that, eh?
Yeah, how's that? How's that for a fishing and camping trip? What an awesome time. It was so unreal. Got the brim, had fun on the water, and so relaxing. Just getting the boats ready and we're gonna take off. Thanks for watching this far into the video. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and thanks guys. Yo!